Okay, I'm going to try to capture as much as I can. Here we go. This is the program that's used to create this map. Open this up real quick. It's going to take a little while to load because it's a pretty big file. Let me see here. Scroll down. This is what the map looks like from the top view. All these components here. It's the side view. It's the front view. Okay, get started. As you can see right here, this is the TCF Irvine office. Okay, let me get started here. Right now it's compiling all the information that's in here, and it's going to load the game. So there we go. Watch at the top, you'll see the TCF Irvine logo. There we go. Okay, here's one of my jetpacks. Let me show you what it does. It's going to shoot me up here. Hey Ralph, what's up? Rebecca. There's Ed. Yeah, some of these pictures, most of them actually, they're not lined up like these, but I'm going to fix it. Let me jump back down here. How's my doors? Isn't that cool? Okay, there's the boss. Here's of course Sandy, Denise, Tony. I gotta fix these pictures too. There's the Cheesecake Factory. Here's the mirror I was talking about. Pretty cool how you can see yourself, huh? Okay, let me do a run through here. Let's show you what this room is here. I wonder if I put anything in here. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. There's Doug, Jesse, Joe, Lynn. Two Joes. I don't know why that happened. Ryan, Teresa. Let's go up to the second floor here. There we go. Jerry, Burial, Nick, Marmy, Eva, Ed, and of course me. Here's my fan I was telling you about. Isn't that cool? My floating box. How do I get back up there, you ask? Just jump on this guy. Okay, let's take a ride on the fan. Gotta time it just right so you don't hit the fan. Whoa. Okay, one time. So you can see. Oh, see? Just hit the fan. Time it just right. Try to ride this thing. There we go. Oh. Okay, I want to go back down to, I'm going to show you that elevator shaft I was talking about. See, a lot of these things I got to fix. There we go. Takes us right back up into this area. That's my invisibility. If you click that, then you won't be seen. Let me show you real quick. See, here I am. Hit this guy. Oh, you're over there, but you can still see me in the. This one here, you can fly. I'm invisible and I'm flying. There's a lot of programming being done for this to make all this stuff work. Let's go in here. Yeah, buddy. Okay, I'm gonna kill myself. Okay. And that about does it. So I hope you guys like it.